Hello everyone. Welcome to Bachin Maker channel. Reply to this fan's question today. How to draw one thin line image. Let's start. Step 1. Download and install Inkscape from the download page. Then open the Inkscape. Click the File button on the top menu bar. Open an image. Click on OK. Select Image. Drag the mouse to change the image size. Click on Path, Trace Bitmap. Click Single Scan. When you select the detection mode, brightness cutoff, click Apply button. It comes out a double-lined image. Select the origin image again. When you select the detection mode, centerline tracing, auto trace, click Apply button. It comes out a one-line image. Then delete the origin image. Save the image as SVG file. The single line and double line images are ready. Step 2. Open the Bachin Draw software. Import the SVG image. Double-click the SVG image to set the size. Can you see the difference between these two images? Let's start drawing. First, draw a single line image. Then draw a double line image. Have you learned? Thanks for watching. See you.